Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Buick Enclave. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set and a drain pan. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, carefully drain all the engine coolant into a proper container, preparing the area for the next steps. Next, you'll need to gain clear access to the water pump. This often involves removing components like the serpentine belt and its tensioner. Be sure to keep track of all fasteners. Gently detach any hoses connected to the water pump, being mindful that some residual coolant might still drain out. Have your drain pan ready to catch any drips. Now, carefully unbolt the old water pump from the engine block. Once removed, thoroughly clean the mounting surface to ensure a perfect seal for the new pump. Install the new water pump, making sure to use a fresh gasket. Tighten all the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is crucial for preventing leaks and ensuring proper function. Finally, reconnect all the hoses and reinstall the serpentine belt. Refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant. It's important to bleed any air from the system to prevent overheating. Start the engine, let it reach operating temperature, and carefully check for any leaks. Monitor the temperature gauge to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.